Asus is joining the fray at MWC 2018 with a trio of new phones, all of which belong in the ZenFone 5 family. Asus is launching a pair of flagships which seem to only be differentiated by the processing package found inside. The ZenFone 5Z sports a top-end Snapdragon 845 SoC and will retail for $499, while the ZenFone 5 packs in a more mid-range Snapdragon 636 SoC and will most assuredly retail for less, although we don't have an official price just yet. The rest seems to be identical between the two, including the very obviously iPhone X inspired design. The notches here with a 6.2-inch 19:9 aspect ratio screen on both phones, only having a very small chin and almost no bezels anywhere else. The back is flat and made of glass with a brushed metal look, and vertically aligned dual cameras are situated on the top left. Both phones sport a Sony IMX363 sensor for the main camera and a secondary sensor of unknown make with a 120-degree wide-angle lens. Asus is jumping on the AI bandwagon, and while it's not clear yet if the standard ZenFone 5 features a dedicated AI processor, the ZenFone 5Z sports the Qualcomm Hexagon 685 Vector DSP, there's a mouthful. This dedicated coprocessor is made for handling all the new AI jargon Asus is throwing at us, and it's quite a bit to say the least. Asus is packing in all sorts of smarts with the new camera software, including automatic scene detection via AI algorithms, which will adjust the image processing based on a number of factors. Portrait mode and wide-angle shots are in one package, a night HDR mode, and even a new Pro mode with tons of options and a wide range of ISO and shutter speed are available. This paired with the 1.4 micron pixel size, f-stop 1.8 aperture lens, and that 120-degree wide-angle lens should make for some great shots. Asus is serious about the audio side of things too, not just packing in the 3.5mm audio jack at the bottom, but supporting high-res audio, all the Bluetooth codecs in Android 8.0 Oreo, and even packing stereo speakers right on the phone as well. A pair of what Asus calls premium earbuds are included in the box, and the phone also supports DTS Headphone X 7.1 surround sound too. To round things out, Asus has a fingerprint sensor on the back and face unlock features, as well as Zen emoji, which, as you can guess, are AR emojis that use the phone's camera for animation. On the more affordable side of things, you'll find the ZenFone 5Q, or known as the ZenFone 5 Lite in some markets. This phone packs in a 6-inch 18:9 screen with some larger bezels than the 5 or 5Z, and the Snapdragon 630 SoC is going to be found inside. It packs a 3300 mAh battery, and the phone features a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner as well as Asus' new face unlock technology. Asus is pushing this as a way to get a good camera and a big screen without having to spend a lot of cash, and dual cameras on both front and back are sure to provide tons of options for users. The secondary camera on front and back both feature 120-degree wide-angle lenses too, which are usually pretty fantastic for group shots or taking in the whole scene at once. We'll need to get pricing for this one to see how good of a value it might be, but for now it seems to be worth taking a look at. There's no release date yet for any of these phones, and given Asus lead time on some of their announcements, that could mean anything really. Be sure to check out our other MWC 2018 coverage here on YouTube or on AndroidHeadlines.com. And don't forget to subscribe to us to get notified about the latest in tech and the happenings in the industry. Thanks for watching, and until next time.